How to add a Walmart gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can basically add a Walmart gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add a Walmart gift card, all you have to do is go to walmart.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then you want to simply make sure to tap the three lines option from the top left here, and then you want to simply go to this option called account. When you go to account, you can just go to wallet and then tap on add a payment method. And when you tap on add a payment method here, you'll be able to find this option known as gift card. You can just tap the gift card option here and then simply make sure to add your card number, your PIN, as well as a gift card nickname. Once you've entered those details, you can just tap the save card option and your gift card will get successfully added to your Walmart account. This way you can basically add a gift card to Walmart. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.